On the stove, heat the kadai, pour 7 to 8 teaspoons of oil, add chopped small onions, allow it to cook, add green chilies, saute it nicely, then add chopped tomatoes, add just very less amount of salt for tomato to get cooked, then add chopped brinjal and potato, mix it nicely, add chopped drumstick, just pour the dal water alone, close it with the lid, keep it in sim for 5 to 10 minutes till the vegetables get cooked. Now the vegetables are cooked. Now add dal also to it. Add required amount of water. Mix it well and see the consistency, whether it's according to us. Add required amount of salt. Just keep it in flame for 5 to 10 minutes. On the other side, pour 2 to 3 teaspoon of oil, season it with mustard, fenugreek and jeera. Add red chilies, asafoetida. Add this seasoning to sambar. Garnish with curry leaves. The sambar is mainly for idli, dosa, pongal and upma. In an empty vessel, just squeeze the lemon and pour the sambar into the same vessel. Mix it well. You will get a tasty, yummy sambar. Try this, subscribe, comment and like the video. A try combination of potato, brinjal and drumstick goes very well.